coming up in this adventure.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back. Good afternoon, because I think after 12 now. So good afternoon guys and welcome back to your truly adventurous living. Yes man. So we're out here on the beach right now, man. About to go up on the waters guys. You see me, well I look pretty good today. A little light sea breeze, but that's it so far. Yeah, so you can see. Out here for the beach people, that's the boat right there. And from the looks of it guys, the boat badly want to clean. And see y'all grow up paid. But me can't even do all no people. See? Y'all grow on the boat and grow that quick and fast. Them sure no one. And look at that. Water clean up. So you know that good people can go speed fishing soon. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be that grew up on the boat. This on me. Look right here. They wanna start I'm going to start. See? Boat I grew up beat guys. Wow, clean sea box my guess. Got them at shoot guessing the people, isn't it? Yeah man, them thing here, rain maras, them wheat in the boat more and whole truck. Same thing there. More pressure on the engine and make the engine drink more gas people, isn't it? So if you want to save gas guys, make sure you see a boat or a vessel. It's always clean. Alright? Yeah man, so we'll get right into loading the boat now people. Showing that time it is finished, alright? Stay tuned guys and welcome to the channel as we say. You're out here. Alright guys, so from the other day I'm gonna get some questions asked like how do you go about getting a fisherman ID and license people? So I'm done by the gas station where you get that done at Ulava Fishing Village. But however, the persons are not authorized to go on camera to do interviews or stuff like that. So they explain the process to me guys. So I will explain it as best as possible to you, but they can go on camera. Alright, so basically guys, what you need is a proof of identification like an ID, driver's license or a passport. Guys, you need those three things with 2 passport size picture stamped by a JP if you get for the first time, and a fee of 1,700 for commercial licensing. However, if you need a recreational license, that will be 4,000, 500 for the ID and 3,500 for the license. Alright guys? Yeah, so that's everything you need, and yeah.
Recreational, as long as you're not doing it for a living, yeah. It's 4,000. That is the recreational. Yeah. And the artist, it's like you.
Me with the commercial, it's 1,700. Alright guys? Yeah man, so. Now with that being said guys, if you want to get a license here at Ulava, you can come right. Now I'll show, go and show them which one you can come to get license. Alright?
Yeah man, one of them I just press that.
Alright, so this is where you come guys. Oh, blue pill. So you come right here guys at the gas station at Ulava Bay. So let me show you. So let's come right here at this gas station. And just go right there, up to Elicar, whoever who work in there people, alright? Yeah man, so 2 passport size pictures stamped by a JP. Identification via voter's ID, a passport or a driver's license, and a small fee of just $1,700 for commercial fishing. But if you want the sport fishing guys, recreational, that's $4,000, alright? Yeah man, so this is the answer of all the person who been asked what you need to get the license, alright people? So best for yourself and stay tuned. Yeah man. Yeah man, people. This is the license. Yeah. And this is the ID. Yeah man, just know say you guys are fully legal and thing, man, you see me? So on the stay tuned people, as we said the boat load already. The only thing leave for the net night and then push off and we're gone at sea. You see it? Yeah. So we're out here people, on the Inca treat. And still see about the pick to the same as every other one we do. No, the slice on. Yeah, I'm going to see on that man.
Tell me now if you see black one back around here.
This looks like stone. No. Ship turn back now.
Turn, come in. Very deep for one, very deep for one can turn this up. What is that? Black skin for the bottom. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm not sure if now I can't see, but there's a ship right here. Couple 1,000 feet out here. But it's still close by people. They're close to which part push them, because we can push them, but you guys not gonna see, but they look like him there. the same distance out as we push the front way. You see me? Right, this one. Big ship, guys, big container ship. You can see stacked all the way up with containers, thousands of containers on that out here. Big container ship, you know, guys. May I see it clear. You guys are see what you guys are see clear as well. May I see it clear. It's about 200 feet long. Around that. About 40 feet high. No, so high on that, man. High on that. Guys, I'm not sure if I can see, but there's another ship passing just outside there.
Yes, sir.
Not you.
Yeah?
Not you. About the same distance as the one before. You curl out, you know? That is it.
So I'm saying that 2.5. Every man will live up and clean their pants. That's it. Always drop pants, always run up.
Flounders or halibut are indifferent. Fish look blue or jack. Inverch. Can I smell the fumes off my ship?
I like them.
Hello, smell the fumes? It's a question there. fancy one. Heel till. Jason har kommit kvar. Coba. Pak pelaki dah.
White man grow this.
Good list. I see just soon bucket you want to mine set pan. Blue part you know. I want pink.
Campur. Dia buat apa lagi?
John. Treasure hard, look well.
Eh?
Treasure hard.
No, me drop all them.
Do this.
Realize that I fisherman, you know. Up on the outside side there. Look at the side, I want me want to hold him. What's up? One here.
Drop off, you know?
Breakfast, everything like that.
Muddy days and I want cream because we are eat and gone out bed. You really would that? Do me that? Do me tell us I me love like that? Yeah, I'm your Benz or house, you. I give you everything let me have. Really would have done me that? A long time you want to cut. Can't see ya. Can't leave. Sit ya. Sit ya. Dia bang repot. Never. A long time you want to cut. Can't stay up. Yeah, I'll leave. I'm in another side. Sasha.
Still low.
Okay, then part let's kill the dog. Agree on that? Ulale. Next one. Yeah, we must get on good rest now, dog.
Oh.
We must get on good rest. I know. Cool tail, dog. You. Vai que eu posso lembrar. Não litas.
Ano po, sa tanong hindi pa nito. Sa ilang fighter.
Ulale.
What?
Olha. Lá uma capa lá.
What?
I can drop off there. I mean, on the day before you. I can pink part. See me. I know, man. I know I see color before dog. I know I see pinkish color. Star. Show nice dog. Like these drones or something. Ano to din ako dog? Imo ko ni ano to din ako kana kita sa kana ano.
No, man, if you can see. When I like, when I not see, I just aswan pa rin like. Ito lang natin ko panigo.
I feel like I just spot to drop on the stone dog, that's it. Kali sa place alone assist to na place sa car. The sound drop on the stone show, I mean good. Oh, blue part natin yan. Nice na siya. Jack.
Oh, sabak na really mag-soundcast niya.
Mura like this. Nag-anak pa naman door. Naglagan sa... Move! This is the citizens. Alright. That is it.
Wrong.
That is it, people. Let them take up now. After about an hour and 40 minutes or so, maybe 2 hours, it's a possibility. I'm not fully sure guys because I never actually measure. But it's around that.
When my engine got up enough, and go to the jeep park. Here in the boat.
Alright guys, so we have a problem. And based on the look side, it seems bad. But the problem is there's a locking mechanism on the engine guys, which allows you to put the engine in reverse and drive at a good speed without the engine keep popping out of the water. However, sometimes that locking mechanism give problems, which it was given earlier today, and never did want the engine to go down. So while it go down, the father go, I don't know if he did intentionally or it was an accident guys, put the engine in gear or in drive while it wasn't fully down, be able to catch up on the locking mechanism thing and press the gas. You see me people? When that happen now, the power from the engine guys, from those 40 ponies or those 40 horses, slammed it down on the locking mechanism guys and stuck it. So no matter how try to drive with the hand guys, it now work. Put the engine after I put the engine in reverse guys and put a good portion of gas on the angle. And if that could have fly. So right now me no know.
Go to water.
You see people? But there was a instance like this happened about 2 years ago or about a year and a half ago, me and my brother. And we had to take off the engine completely off of the boat people. But that time we were at sea to be honest. So we were in a bit of shallow water. So me and my brother step overboard guys, hold the boat in place, pull out the bolts of the whole engine, then use the hammer and beat the iron, straighten it out. So yeah, it's kinda bad. But stay tuned guys and me keeping it posted. You can know exactly what going on. Yeah man. Damn, 25%? So maybe it was 50% from the video guys. They will take up the whole evening. So now I'm going to conservative mode. You see me? But yeah guys, so final fight with the money on the sides. So I get them pick out now, I'm going to see if we'll catch afterwards. Stay tuned.
I know where the shoulder. And the money that people are fun. Where do you come here with it?
Oh, dude, that's it. Try that down and see if you can.
Have you not put the flares by in a while?
feed size. Some people know exactly what caused this, but there, looking right against the key, secure this people if you can see it. You can see me in the water. Just pull out the boat out of the engine, guys.
We have a game boat.
We can go inside that shoal. Pull up the boat. The boat out of the engine, guys, I'm gonna try to take it off of the boat with the water. Alright, people. Yeah, man, you can see. Gonna pull your puff engine too. God, free fall.
Come. Right here, Alan.
Alright, go on that boat now. Go on, see. Alright, guys. The panela no people. One spring jump up, yes sir.
Let's find back uncle.
So simple lang. So simple.
Look at it. Let's find it back and come here. Let's stop it and do it again.
You look good.
Grind the boat. Again. That's problem.
No, by the way.
Watch it, man.
Is it a
At this jump off, and the size, at this a bit of the problem.
You know, I'm fully serious. Lucky. So, we'll let you face today. See you later. Broke.
Yeah.
Just to cut the trail drive off it completely and dark.
Let's check out that thing here.
Then to ya? Well, I'm still can't price for him, so take a picture.
So nice, we work out.
Good try. These are full, right?
Yeah, take out the screen.
Can't take out the neither, yes. Think so.
Nice.
One release. Next one. Same treatment.
Alright. So what to spring them? Can't get off it. Yeah.
You know about this, huh? This will come out, dog. Oh, this pin. Oh, see that, split pin. The players on the boat. 3 players there.
What players I'm sorry.
So. Even if some
Stop. Just check that it's too far and then I'll use the pliers and hold it and dry out.
alright, come on.
The other side.
One side.
Pushing back that down. I jump, that's the side. Yeah, right, that now. Drop down in that boat stern.
That bucket. Next thing I jump out, dog. For some reason I couldn't think the miraculous are gone. Yeah, see that? That is it, people. I'm supposed to have a problem now. Me put back in on the boat. Bolt tape and just walk thick, dog. Until I build back shore drive again.
Yeah, come. What?
Oh, sure.
Lean back the engines. What's the beach?
Alright guys, so the problem gets solved. I'm have like 10% of battery life left, people. So I'm now trying to GoPro, you know. One time now 956. Right, people? Yeah man, so as I said, I'm not sure about the GoPro for now guys. I'm gonna see if the 10% of battery to reach a land tomorrow. But the engine problem sorted out, people, and everything, so that's good. If you have to take out all the shore drive completely out of the engine, guys. I'm gonna show you if you guys know what that is. But yeah, we took that out completely. The parts them in the bucket or in the tool part. So yeah, people, now stay tuned. I'm blessed up myself and catch you guys when reaching land tomorrow. Alright? Yeah man. I'm showing you if we catch everything, people. Yeah. People, let's do it. Just a couple months in this while, guys. I'm trying to get your fight. The mirror from last night, guys. Battery percent, that's 6%. Or battery, that's 6%, I should say. What is it? So make this quick, guys. I see back some for each other. The mirror from last night, or from yesterday evening, as you already know. You see what take up that? Nice little catch, guys. They're a bit better, but you know, fully 100% grateful for them because we can make a free scale, guys, as you know. That's God's job. So yeah, thank you again for the G. And then for the commercial fishing here, people, you see me? Truly grateful for them guys. So here I one, stay tuned people. I'll catch you in time reaching. There's something out like falling off size. It's bone falling off. Same thing as with this current falling off. Decent size them people. Them lovely guys. Lovely. So I'm saying guys, and stay tuned to reach a lot. And guys, just at that moment, telling us you thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and most definitely, guys, consider subscribing. Yeah, man. So, some people there, even ask me clear as things, but yeah, camera quality clean, people. Well, it seems still, but yeah. The boat don't unload no people. The engine if come off right now. As I said last night, as you can see what took place. The locking mechanism, guys, we have to pull it completely out of the engine, but you know, so we do that and I go and go lift off the engine for the boat in the night, drive on the key, people, you see me? But you know, difficult to take care of, see guys, you have to make use, you have to have use and just do something, people, you see me, because we're not know that. But yeah guys, this is how we come down to, as I say. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and most definitely, guys, consider subscribing. Isn't it? Please watch those ads. That's how we make a revenue for YouTube as a content creator. So let's do us a hand, guys. Really appreciate it. Come on, get to the full 100% people. You see it? So I'm saying, guys, stay tuned until then. Catch you next adventure. Adventures living out. Alright, people? Yes, no more. Bless up.